The Trust's reputation and position in the market today is as one of the longest standing investment trusts.
It's been around for 140 years and it's been paying a maintained or increased dividend for the last 35 years.
The Trust primarily invests in companies listed in the UK, but up to 20% of the fund is invested outside of the UK at any time.
We all care passionately that this Trust does as well as it can possibly do, that it does what it says on the tin.
Dunedin is a low-cost form of investment. The average cost on the fund on a per annum basis is generally towards the lower end of what you would expect to pay for an investment. We have revenue reserves, and what that means is that in good years the Trust can put aside some of the money which it's earned in excess of what it's distributed as dividends and utilise those reserves in years where things are difficult in order to smooth out our payments. So it means in a year where even our income might fall, we might actually be able to grow our dividends as well in those years.
The fund managers have a very rigorous analytical style. They get to know their companies incredibly well, both before they make an investment decision and during the period that they hold the company.
During our board meetings, we will always have presentations by the manager, and in the context of that, we'll be seeing their performance and really being able to drill down into how are we doing from a total return standpoint, from an income standpoint, how is the diversification of the portfolio working, what are the winners, but also what have been the losers, why has the manager made the selections that they have.
We have a constructive relationship with the board. It's very much a question of give and take. The board are there to oversee what we're doing as investors, and I think that's one of the advantages that investment trust shareholders get, in that they have an independent board making sure that the managers are genuinely doing not only what they say they're doing, but things that are in the best interest of the investment trust.
We're always out there looking for new ideas, meeting other companies that are perhaps in the index or perhaps competitors to companies that we already own.
Aberdeen is a well-known global asset manager, so we have capabilities all over the world. We have one of the highest yields within the UK growth and income sector. We believe that that's sustainable and that we can grow it in real terms over the longer term.
We are always focused on the interests of our shareholders and to make sure that we're acting in their best interests.
As a board, we're acutely aware of the fact that we're ultimately responsible.
We have a very interesting time being involved with it. It's good fun.